I've just got a bait in this morning. Instant hookup, it's not even light yet. The drone only just hit the beach again. And we're straight on. Super early one. It's probably about 4 AM. There's definitely a good fish on that. Camera's not going to pick up a lot right now. It's pretty dark. So I'll probably skip through this bite a bit and hopefully we can do an intro of a big snapper on the beach. I haven't even got my gimbal belt on or anything yet. This is on the new Vex hooks with a rattle float on it. Long time since I've done this. So your first drop for me, Jamie's bait's just got an out too. Good start to the morning. Been a couple of months since I've drone fished. You like getting hits? Got out of bed at 3 AM this morning for this. So if we can get a fish on, that would be amazing. Well, if we can land a fish, that'll be amazing. Just chuck my gimbal belt on. It's going to make it a lot easier. I'm getting some wicked head shakes. It's not far to go. It's pretty much in the surf here now, I think. Not far off it anyway. What a start to the morning. I'll show you the rig I'm using shortly once we've got a bit of light. I'm giving one of those Vex rattle floats a go on their new hooks. First time using them. Looking pretty good so far. Oh, big head shakes. Yeah, good one, eh? It's definitely a snapper. I think it's right in the surf there. Oh, it's on the beach there, bro. Oh. Snapper on. I'll just get this lighting in that right. I'll race down there, get a hold up. It's a beautiful fish. Absolutely stoked. What a start to the morning. Whew. Bug it. There you go. Beautiful early morning snapper. It's 4:20 in the morning. First drop. Pretty damn happy with that. It's been a long time since I've been drone fishing. That is a beautiful fish. Absolutely stoked on that. Wicked. We are off to a good start here. Jamie's just wound his in. He's got a 49cm snapper. I'll chuck him back, he's very close. See ya, bro. Swell's pumping and the snapper are on. Wicked. This is insane. I haven't even been able to do an intro yet. I've got my snapper on the beach. Jamie's released a 49cm one. And then he's absolutely buckled over again. Hopefully this is a snapper. Big walk into this spot. Oh, I'm on! Oh, you're on, I'm on! I'm on! Quick, quick, quick! Oh my god, bro, I'm on as well! Get all this black line, get all this black line. Oh! Yeah, mine's big too. Oh, is it? Oh man, this is wild. Oh, double hookup. Double hookups. Doubles. Wow, what a morning. Yeah, mine's still on. You still on? I missed it on camera. I was filming Jamie's one and my rod just buckled. It's not doing a lot right now. Hopefully I haven't dropped it. Oh, get rid of that clicker noise. Wow, what a start to the day. might be all done by sunrise there. Jamie's one's not far, it's just in the surf there now. Pretty massive shore break going on, so hopefully we don't lose a fish in the surf. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've drone fished, and this is epic. Fishing one of Jamie's magic spots that just produce. You're right in the surf there, eh? Oh, big wobby guy. I thought you said ballby. Ah, Jamie's is a wobby. Bummer. Jamie's was a wobby guy and shark. He's just ran down there now to film a little bit of that. Hopefully mine's another snapper. As I said, Jamie's brought me to one of his spots this morning. Big walk in, out of bed at 3 AM. It's been worth it. We've got 2 snapper on the beach and a wobby gone so far. And I've got a fish on the end of my line right now. Whew. Tell you what, I'm definitely not drone fish at the moment. This is hard work. Out of touch. Not far to go now. Not far at all, I don't think. My reel's nearly full of line again. Oh no. Don't tell me it's stuck on the reef there. There's a little reef edge right in front of us. No. Got over it. Beauty. Please be a snapper. Head shakes right there on the beach. Finally gives me a few head shakes. It's been about a few hundred metres and no head shakes. You've seen the surf there though. He's not happy. I think it is a snapper. Judging by that. Hard work. Is it good or size? Oh, it's another size snapper. I don't think it's a monster, but it's a good eater. What a morning. That's me, 2 snapper. Far out. This is why you fish Jamie's spot. Look at the time, 4:57. 2 snapper on the beach. Sun is just coming up now. There you go, there's that second snapper there. As you just seen, it's not even 5 AM yet. I've got 2 snapper on the beach here. What a wicked morning. Perth fishing, that's pretty damn good. Sun's only just coming up now as well, so once we've got a bit of light in there, I'll show you the rig I'm using. Using Jamie's Aero drone. Drop us out right on the spot. That's impressive. There's that other one there. 2 snapper. First one's a little bit bigger. Unfortunately it's very dark when we're catching that, so I don't know what the filming quality will be like. 2 perfect eating size snapper. That's amazing. I can't believe that. Jamie's just rigging up another bait now after the wobby gone. He'll send that out. I'm going to finish my coffee and come up with a plan from there, but that's amazing. I'm stoked. Seriously, what a morning it's been. That's already 2 snapper for me. Jamie's just having another drop now. I'll show you the rig and that I'm running. I might finish my coffee up, have one more drop and just chill. See how the rest of the morning goes. Hopefully Jamie can load up on a big snapper. We're fishing his spot, so it's only fair he gets 1 or 2 on. Finish my coffee, show you this rig, have one more drop, and hopefully Jamie's on shortly. Another bait rushing out now. Jamie's running that new Air controller. Pretty fancy bit of kit. I've only got the standard one. That thing there's pretty nice. Still very early in the morning. I reckon we got one more fish in us.
Big on, big on. Yeah, babe.
Oh, wicked. He's on. He is on. Hopefully my other camera picked that up, but Jamie's rod just buckled. I think he deserves a fish, bringing me out here, dropping my baits for me, showing me the zone. Hopefully he's got a big pinky on. It's a good one if it is a snapper, eh? Jamie's nearly in. He's worried it might be a stingray. Hopefully not. Hopefully not a ray. Must be really close now. What a morning. I think it's a snapper. Another beautiful panny, I reckon. Incredible. And he does it again. Look at that. And there we are. Deserved that one, I reckon.
Yeah, that one hit hard for sure.
What a fish, man. What a session. The snapper absolutely on this morning. Perth turning it on. As I said, I'll quickly show you the rig that I'm using. I'm giving these new vexed hooks a go. So I've got the incline circle hook as my top hook on the snell, and then the vexed big bait as the bottom hook, which looks something like that. Circle hook up the top there, and then I've got the vexed big bait hook down the bottom there. I've always used Black Magic hooks and I really have liked them. I've got my hands on a few of these vexed hooks. I'm going to test them out for a little while. So far so good. It's first morning using them and I haven't dropped a fish yet, and I've got a couple of wicked snapper on the beach. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's got a little rattle in it. That helps float my bait up off the ground a little bit. It probably doesn't fully float my bait, but it'll give it that little bit of movement. It's got the rattle in there, so fish can pick that up with their lateral lines and find the bait. The whiting's absolutely getting it done. You just seen the fish that Jamie just got. He got his on a whiting as well. Mine are all been on whitings this morning. Snapper in nice and close to the beach, hunting the sand whiting. It all makes sense. And then from there, I've just got my 3-way swivel. Drop a loop off that. Down to my grapnel sinker, which I think that's about a 6 or a 7 ounce, I can't remember. It's holding well enough though. It's been one hell of a morning. I haven't even got to finish my coffee yet. It's been that chaotic. I don't know how the filming's going to turn out. It's been a bit of a mad session that I haven't been able to film super well, but we're out here having fun. That's the main thing. And there goes my last whiting of the morning. Out on the Air. Straight back to that same drop point. We'll see how we go this time. Sun's just coming up now. As always with the drone fishing, I'm running the Assassin Vector drone rod and the Pen Fathom reel. I'm going to wrap up the morning there. Our last baits have been out for about 40 minutes. Absolutely hot bite this morning, but as soon as the sun's hit the water, it's just gone quiet. I think the snapper will move out deeper or hide away. If you're interested in an aero drone, I'll put a link down in the comment section here. Check that out. Check that out. Check out an aero drone of your own. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.